All right, we got a load started. Got a lot more to go. Today's project, I want to get these bumpers in the garage because I'm gonna, sell them. If you want to know what today's project is, you're looking at it. So I went out last night and I bought 1, 2, 3 units. The A-frame here, this A-frame here, and this A-frame here, plus what did I do with my coil? Here it is. I bought this coil of wire right here, which is heavy wire. Looks like about 16 pounds is what I measured. And then this stuff here. Got some aluminum extrusion, needs to be taken apart. A few nuts and bolts taken off. I got this pile of brackets that went on a roof. I got this bag of copper wire, about 20 pounds worth of it. And what's in this bag? Some other miscellaneous. There's an electrical panel box down there. So everything, I paid $210 for it. What do you think? Did I get robbed? I don't think so. I pay for my units all the time. I generally pay $50 for a copper unit, so 50 and 50, and I pay $40 for the aluminum units and a few bucks here and there for this kind of stuff. So figured it all up, it came to $210. And today I'm taking everything that I got and stripping it down. That's my entire project for the day. Getting everything separated, see how much we made. Let's go to work. I guess I need to, I started a little bit of this, but I really need to get into this because I need the back of my truck to be cleaned out. And I have a doctor's appointment today, so I'm gonna cut that up and put it in its appropriate buckets, and I'm gonna work on cleaning up this extrusion. But these slide out, so I'm gonna take these little aluminum clips, slide anything that will slide out, slide it out, save it into my bucket, and then start processing these longer pieces. And that is also another piece of heavy solid aluminum, another piece of aluminum. Haven't tested that yet. I feel like it's, just don't feel like it's steel. I got a magnet in my pocket. Yeah, it's not, see? It's either, well, it's a little slightly magnetized, slightly. This is a strong magnet. By the way, these magnets came from a friend of mine in New Jersey that I go to see every time I go there. But yeah, there's a little bit of magnetism. I'm still throwing it in that bucket. This is all aluminum except for the screws. That's nice, heavy duty. Oop. And I don't know if you heard me say, but I did pay for that roll of copper over there, all this aluminum, and some miscellaneous wire that's in the back of my truck. Boy, these things just want to hang on. Yeah, so I've got some wire back there. I'm not going to make it to the scrapyard today. So I will get all this stuff, as much of it as I can, processed. So I just went in and ate lunch. So, all right guys, well, I'm going to process this stuff out. I don't think it's anything that's real seriously anybody wants to watch. I'm just going to get all this done and I'll see you in a minute. So yeah, I bought this bag of wire. Some good wire in there. Some heavy stuff, quite a bit of it actually. Not sure how much. All wrapped up though. It's nice, good fat stuff. Let's go see what this bag weighs. Size of the wire in here, for the most part, maybe the bag's gonna weigh a little bit. What do we got here? We got about 26 pounds. Well, so far I did get 3 motors. I got this bucket tore apart. I got that, the radiator's out, or whatever you want to call them. Got this one here out. Got that one out. I still haven't took apart any of these. Let me see. I separated a few things in my shop that I got in the back of my truck. I've got my extruded aluminum over here. It's a nice little bucket. Oh yeah, and my number 1 and my number 2 copper. I'm thinking this is more in the lines of number 1, and this is at least number 1. Then I got a little bit of number 2 here from today, and still haven't got everything tore down yet. I've been working at it though all daggum day, guys. Been working at it most of the day anyways. And I got a doctor's appointment, so I'm stopping a little early today. But yeah, not too bad. Not too bad of a day. I still got 1, 2, 3 A coils over there to do. And that still to process. And I've got them 2 units there to bring in. Hopefully body scrap more grandpa. What's next? And thanks for stopping by my channel and checking out what we got going on.